First, remove the device cover. Select the turntable according to the matching relationship of the pull beads on the turntable, and installed on the output shaft of the equipment. Remove the 2 tooth pieces on the head cover. After selecting a location, use the 3-zhang adhesive that comes with the product. Stick on the back cover of the device. After tearing off the plastic film, affix to the determined location. Installing the device. Hang the pull bead on the equipment turntable and pull down tight. Put the head cover back on the device.